Thank you and welcome to this video. Just want to say a few words now. So I bought a sailboat. We took it out for the first time. It was absolutely amazing. It was so much fun. It's unbelievable. From the get-go, we started night fishing and catching bass, and we had dinner on the boat and had bass for dinner. And a great day sailing, a couple of mishaps. I've never sailed before, and here you go. Without ado, this is the first time on Largo. Thank you for watching. So join us tomorrow. We're going to be taking Largo out for the first time. I've no sailing experience. It's going to be absolutely hilarious. We just caught a nice little school bass, so I'm going to get the rods back in and try and catch some more. Hopefully there's a bigger bass for dinner out there. First night fishing on Largo before we take her out for the first time tomorrow, and we are into, oh look at that guys, we've got a beautiful, it looks like to me it's very dark, it's a beautiful little bass. Tide's coming in. Oh, where's my towel? This one's going back, it's only a little scaldy. But put up a good fight and it took it very quick. Nice little sea bass. Let's throw it back. Quite jumped as I started. So, like I said, we got to Largo tonight and decided to do some fishing because we're not setting sail for the first time till tomorrow. And I believe I'm in again. Only lugworm, just a little bit of lug that I had. Whoa! Oh yes, that's dinner. Look at that. That one is dinner, mate. That is a beautiful bass. Oh yes. Well, I suppose it's turned into a catch and cook now, so tomorrow we can have sea bass for breakfast. So we'll catch you in a bit. Lovely sea bass. So morning, we spent the night on Largo, caught a few sea bass, and it's finally time to take her out for a maiden voyage. We hope we don't crash or sink on this trip. Like I said, I'll take you guys along for the journey with me. Just going to switch on some gauges, see what comes on. That'd be the radio, which we won't need on yet. That's my depth finder, so we always keep an eye on that. Right, I think we're ready. Do you want to cast us off? I'll get the engine running. Let me get the engine running first. Choke to get it. Ready when you are, mate. We free? Unhook. Yep. we're not sailing yet, we're motoring along. What, we're at 5 metres still? 6?
6.
Well, so as you all know, I have no experience. At this point, we're just motoring out. The wind is coming head on, and the tide was against us, so we're motoring out. Yeah, we have a couple of mishaps. We have one of the runners on the side of the boat that goes to the jib sheet come out of the rail, which we had to put back in. But overall, it was a great experience. I hope you enjoyed the video, and here we go. So it's my first time out on Largo. We've got both sails up. No problems so far. Well, one problem. One of the runners' eyelets that take the jib sheet on the side come out the runners, and we had to quickly fix that. Other than that, there's only about 3 knots of wind at the moment. It does pick up to about 12 later. So hopefully we will sorry, I'm just watching a bit of traffic come in. Hopefully we will sail back quite well, but we're not sailing out quite well, I can tell you that. Beautiful though, and we ain't sunk. How many knots are we doing, Aaron?
1 knot.
1 knot. There we are. We've got a knot out of her. And we are going to do a jive, matey. Very slight one. You're sitting on it, mate. Where the fuck are we going? We don't want to go that way. We're going the way that we didn't want to go now. Lovely. Trying to turn myself back round. I am fighting the wind and the tide. The tide is coming in at the minute. and it's a lovely day, not much wind. He was supposed to slow down. Smashing it. You're sailing now. This is sailing. Obviously not very fast today, but it's sailing. Can't believe I can do it. I can sail. Here come the waves. Comes. Way. Day 422. Still stuck at sea. We're out of fuel. It's alright, it's the tiller, I didn't fart. So a couple of problems we've discovered is, as I said, the eyelet that runs along the runner on this side, it come off. So we was just on the winch for a little while. We fixed that, trusty Leatherman. So was it a stupid idea to get a sailboat? No, I'm enjoying it. It's really fun. Last night we caught some sea bass, had a few little problems today, fixed them, and we've had a great day. Not much wind. Basically learning about the boat quite a bit and about the tides. It's very tidal where we are. Beautiful boat behind me. See if I can turn you. Well, I suppose you'll see it come past in a minute. Yeah, no, it's been great fun. Absolutely brilliant. Would I suggest for people to go out and get themselves a sailboat? Yes. Even though I've been told that the word boat means bust out another 1,000. I don't know if you can see just behind me, but the tide's starting to change and there's no wind, and we just sideways went into it, but we're not sinking. And having not much wind is quite handy with not knowing what you're doing. So I'm definitely not complaining. Beautiful day, no problems as yet, other than the couple that I explained earlier. I've only got the mainsail up. I think by having the Genoa, it stopped this sail catching wind. As I said, I'm still learning. If you've got any pointers, if you see me do anything wrong, please mention it. Great fun though. Especially the sea bass we was catching last night. Hopefully the wind will pick up a little bit. So the sailing went absolutely fine. Wind on the way back. We've taken down the mainsail and I've got the Genoa up. We're only doing about 1 to 2 knots, but we are going against the current at the moment. It's been absolutely brilliant. My first time sailing. Trying to learn all the stuff's been a bit nightmare, but I suppose it comes with practice. I haven't hurt myself or fell overboard. That's one good thing. And even last night caught lovely bass and had bass for dinner. So that just set the night off. I will have a little talk about some of the things that I've done wrong, like not making tacks all the way, not releasing the main sheet when you're doing a tack. Quite a few things I have done wrong, but I suppose it's all a learning curve, and mainly it's great fun. Hopefully next time I'm on Largo we're going to do a catch and cook video, so nice sea bass dinner in the cab for dinner. It got quite late last night, we was fishing too.